Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data on Motorola Moto G06 Power. Okay, to do it we need to open up the settings. Now we need to scroll down until we find System and click on the backup. Okay, when it comes to the backup, we need to remember about a few things. Below the account storage, we can see the Google account that we are currently logged into. And on that account, I mean in the cloud of this account, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore that backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup. Also, next thing, make sure that you have some free storage space before creating a backup. And make sure that Backup by Google one in here is enabled. Now to create a backup, simply hit this button. Now I also need to confirm by drawing my screen lock. Okay, the process should start any second. Under the backup word, a thin bar should appear. Okay, here it is. And you can notice that it's starting slowly to fulfill. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made. So I'll see you once it's done. Okay, as you take a look, we can see this icon, the number 1 in the circle, and down below we can see that the last backup was made 2 minutes ago. Next to it we can see the hour, so everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.